Agriculture is the Northwest's second biggest sector after mining. The province is ranked among the largest producers of white maize and sunflower seeds in the country. It's also big on cattle farming. But farmers in the province say it has been a difficult year with many challenges.
As the agricultural sector, one is affected by load shedding, the issue of stock theft, vandalism of the infrastructure, condition of our infrastructure with regard to roads, ports of entry, one looking at the harbors, and we are also affected by poor service delivery from municipalities.
After harvesting, our crop does not have a fixed price, yet diesel price keeps increasing. Our employees' labor amount has also been increased. Load shedding is a challenge.
Crime is also a big problem. So we've recently seen in our province where somebody was convicted for the second time of stock theft, but he didn't get when he got his sentence, it was suspended. So we would like to see much harsher sentences when people get convicted of crimes.
With no sign of relief in sight, farmers are now pinning their hopes on President Cyril Ramaphosa's State of the Nation address, hoping to hear how government plans to assist them financially and through intensified law enforcement.
We are actually expecting to hear solutions from the President's address in the form of to say, with regard to load shedding, the concrete and implementable plan that is actually having days in terms of when is that going to be implemented. The issue of the ports of entry or the harbors in terms of how are we going to get that actually back on their feet. You know, it's like issue of Transnet, how is it going to be resuscitated, revived. We are also looking at the issue of the status of our land reform farms to say, what is it that is going to be done? And we are actually recommending to say partnership between government and public sector or private sector will go a long way to ensure that those farms are actually being brought back to production so that they can actually create jobs and contribute towards food security.
Weather is a difficult one, but there is some action plans that one can put in place to mitigate the weather risk, and to the extension services that we're currently receiving from the Department of Agriculture is definitely falling short, especially for new and upcoming producers.
The farmers say they will be watching SONA with bated breath, hoping to hear solutions to their challenges. Silwani Khachau, SABC News, Lichtenburg.